Hi everyone and welcome back. So there is a massive information regarding upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and I think this matters a lot. First of all, Samsung has confirmed the upcoming Unpacked event and it will be around the end of July. So we will see the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 and Galaxy Watch 6. These will be available for pre-order in August. Okay, so Galaxy Z Fold 5 is finally going to have dust resistance. Before that, like with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, we had water resistance, but there was no dust resistance with this foldable. And due to that reason, dust was collected in this hinge and after a few months, Z Fold wasn't able to lie flat on the table. But now, according to latest information, Galaxy Z Fold 5 will have IP58, dust and water resistance. Also according to Ice Universe, there will be no or little difference for the inner screen, while same goes for the outer screen. But we will be seeing better battery life and performance thanks to that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. But if you have the Fold 4 or even Fold 3, then upgrading to Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be boring, and that's according to Ice Universe. Z Fold 5 will only make sense when you have the Galaxy Z Fold 2. My Galaxy Z Fold 4 is having no issues with hinge as of now. It sits flat on the table, but this is really exciting to see that dust resistance is finally coming to foldables from Samsung. Also, One UI Beta 5 for Galaxy Watch has started. Make sure you have entered into beta program as it will be available for limited users. Link for it will be down in description. Let's wait for the end of July to see what's exactly new with the upcoming foldables from Samsung. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.